Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda HR-V door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover behind the door handle. Once that's off, you'll find a screw to remove. Next, locate and unscrew any other visible screws around the panel's edge. This prepares the panel for the next steps. With the screws removed, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. Work your way around, releasing the clips that hold it to the door frame. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once the clips are loose, carefully pull the panel away from the door. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for switches or lights before fully detaching the panel. After disconnecting all electrical components, lift the door panel straight up to clear the window channel. This final step allows the panel to come completely free. Place the panel in a safe spot where it won't get scratched or damaged. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align and electrical connectors are securely reattached for proper function. Using the correct non-marring trim tools is crucial to avoid scratching your car's interior. Always inspect the clips for any damage during removal. Replacing broken ones ensures a secure fit upon reinstallation. Taking your time throughout the process will prevent costly mistakes. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.